Morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So today we will start our new lesson, that is 14th lesson, the gendarme. So what does a gendarme means? Gendarme in French, it means a soldier. Okay. So as we call a soldier in India, in our country, a soldier only, but in France language, French, they call them as gendarme. Okay, a guard, a soldier. So here it is a short play about the Emperor Napoleon and a gendarme, a soldier. So this play we would have enacted in the class if we were in school. So as we are missing the school, we cannot do this. So we will just do the reading of this lesson. So here it's a scene 1, it's been divided into 3 scenes, okay, 3 different scenes में divide किया गया. So the first scene it's having is the curtain rises showing a lovely house outside a town in France. It is a walled compound. 2 men in uniform are standing at the gate of the compound. One of them is a gendarme, means guard. The other is an officer. The time is 4 in the afternoon. So in front of a beautiful house, 2 persons are standing. One is a soldier in that and another one is an officer. And the time is 4 in the afternoon. So the officer is saying, gendarme. So the gendarme replies, yes sir. So officer is saying, this house is ready for our Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte. So the officer is saying, okay, this house is ready for our Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte. So the gendarme is saying, yes sir. Officer says, stand here. So gendarme, as he is a soldier, he is obeying the orders of his officer. He is saying again, yes sir. So officer is giving him the instruction. Keep a strict watch, keep your gun ready, admit only the emperor, no one else. Don't hesitate to shoot at any man who tries to force on entry here. Don't move an inch from here till another gendarme comes to relieve you. So the gendarme says, all right sir, but the emperor may be in ordinary clothes. How shall I know him? I have never seen him. So the officer says, well, he has a special pass. He will show it to you. So the gendarme says, thank you sir. So the officer says, okay, when Napoleon, the emperor, comes in to meet us, then only you should allow him because he is having a special pass. So he is giving him strict instructions here not to allow anyone and keep your gun ready. Whoever tries to force get into the house, just shoot them. Okay, जब कोई भी अगर beside emperor, if anyone other person tries to enter the house means shoot that person and don't let anyone enter it. And don't move an inch from here till another gendarme comes to relieve you. जब तक आपकी प्लेस पे कोई और दूसरा गार्ड नहीं आके आपको रिलीव करता है, till then you should not leave the place. So the gendarme, the soldier says के okay sir, but there is a doubt कि I don't recognize the emperor, I cannot recognize the Napoleon Bonaparte. Then how should I know him? He must be in ordinary clothes. So the officer said, okay, yeah, well, you can recognize him. He will show you his special pass. Napoleon, जो हमारे emperor है, उनके पास एक special pass है. By seeing that pass, you can let him in. So gendarme said, thank you, sir. So the gendarme was doing his duty very attentively. He stands at attention, he salutes the officer return salutes the gendarme and walks off. The curtain falls and starts off the scene 2. Now in the scene 2, the curtain rises, Napoleon walks up to the gate, he is in the simple clothes, the time is 5 in the afternoon. So when the gendarme and the officer, they both were having conversation about the emperor, about his arrival, the time was 4 in the afternoon, right? So after they talk, when the officer left, at near 5 o'clock in the afternoon, the Napoleon, the emperor of the France, Napoleon Bonaparte, he came. Okay. So the gendarme, stop, who comes there? So as was the duty of the gendarme, the guard, the person as he was approaching, he stopped the person and said, okay, who's there? Napoleon, stopping in front of the gendarme, who are you to stop me? So as Napoleon, who was the emperor of the France, he said, okay, who are you to stop me? Gendarme, I am guard here. So Napoleon said, "Okay, I am tired. I must go get into the house at once. Come on, let me in." "Gendarme, I have orders not to let anyone in except the emperor." Napoleon is saying, "I am the emperor." So gendarme said, "What?" So gendarme is saying, Napoleon told him, "You are not. You should not get into the house. You are not allowed to go into the house." So Napoleon said, "Who are you to stop me?" So gendarme said, "I am the guard here." So Napoleon said, "I am the king. I am Napoleon. So let me in." So after listening that he is the emperor, the guard get shocked. "Napoleon, I am Napoleon Bonaparte, emperor of all France, you fool." "Gendarme, a likely story. Why are you alone and on foot?" Napoleon, "There was a fight on my way here. I lost my horse. I escaped and my men must be searching for me. They will soon be here." So Napoleon said, "I am Napoleon Bonaparte, emperor of all France. You know that? You fool, let me in." So gendarme said, the guard said, "Yeah, very nice, a likely story, a funny story, but I am not going to believe you. So I am not a fool. So if you are the king, then where are your men and where are your horses and why you are on foot?" So Napoleon said, "There was a big fight on my way. जब मैं रास्ते से आ रहा था तो एक बहुत बड़ी fight हो गई and I lost all my horses and my men. So the men will be coming searching for me. They will be soon here." So gendarme asked, "Where is your pass?" Napoleon said, "I have lost my special pass." Gendarme, "A lie. Get away from here or I'll shoot." So Napoleon tries to force his way on. The gendarme raises his gun at him. There is a sudden clopping of horses. Napoleon's men come up on their horses. They get down. A captain rushes up to the gate. So the Napoleon said, when the gendarme asked to show his special pass, Napoleon said, "I have lost my special pass." So gendarme, he was doing his duty. He said, "I am not going to believe you. So what you have to do? You have to run away from here, get away from here, or else I'll shoot you." So Napoleon tried to get into the house. क्या करो ना, forcibly house घर के अंदर घुसने की कोशिश करे. So as he was, what did the gendarme do? What was his orders from the officer? अगर कोई forcefully घर के अंदर जाता है तो the guard has to shoot him. So what did the gendarme did? He aimed the gun at Napoleon. So as he was aiming the gun to shoot Napoleon, there was sound of clopping of horses, means घोड़ों के आने की आवाज़ सुनाई दी. So when the other officers came, they got down from the horse and the captain rushes up to the gate. वो horses के पास से एक captain आया and he said, "Gendarme, put your gun down. Don't you know Emperor Bonaparte? Here his special pass. I found it on my way here. You shall suffer for your insult to our lord and master." So the captain who got down from the horse said, "Gendarme, put your gun down. Don't you know he is Napoleon Bonaparte, the king of all France? And here is a special pass. I found it here on the way coming here. मुझे special pass मिला इनका मैं जब रास्ते में आ रहा था. And you are a very fool because you are aiming a gun at the king. And you shall suffer for your insult to our lord and master." And आपने जो insult की है, you will definitely suffer for that. So the gendarme puts down his gun after examining the pass. Napoleon and his men enter the house. Curtain falls. So as the gendarme examine the pass, जो उनका special pass था Napoleon का, after examining the pass, he let Napoleon into the house, and the curtain falls and the scene 2 finishes off. Okay, we will also stop here. So in the next scene, what will happen with the gendarme? What will happen to the guard? Will he be punished because not letting in the emperor, or will he be rewarded? gendarme के साथ क्या हो गया? What do you think it will happen with him? क्या उनको punish मिलेगा because of his rude behavior with the king, or will he be rewarded for his sincere duty? So we'll see it in the next class. Till then, do read the lesson, stay home, stay safe, and don't trouble your parents.